Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to learn notes for UPSC. First, begin by thoroughly understanding the UPSC syllabus and previous year's question papers. This foundational step helps you identify key topics and prioritize your study material effectively. Focus on creating concise, high-quality notes that are easy to review. Remember, the goal is not just to collect information, but to process and internalize it for better recall during the examination. Let's dive into the specifics. Structuring your notes effectively is crucial for efficient revision. Organize your material logically, perhaps by subject and then by specific topics within each subject. Employ clear headings, subheadings, and bullet points to break down complex information into digestible chunks. Visual aids like diagrams, flowcharts, and mind maps can significantly enhance understanding and recall. Always leave some blank space, about 1/4 of the page, to add new information or insights as you progress in your studies. Active learning techniques are vital for truly mastering the UPSC syllabus. Don't just passively read, actively engage with your notes. Try summarizing topics in your own words without looking at the original material. Regularly test your knowledge with practice questions and mock tests to identify areas needing improvement. Explaining concepts aloud, as if teaching someone else, can also reveal gaps in your understanding. Aim for consistent weekly revisions, perhaps dedicating 2 hours every Sunday to keep the information fresh in your mind. Current affairs are an indispensable part of the UPSC examination, and integrating them into your notes is key. When you read the news, always try to connect it back to the static syllabus topics. Maintain a separate, concise set of notes specifically for current events, perhaps organized monthly. Crucially, update your existing static notes with relevant current developments to create a comprehensive resource. Focus on the analytical aspects and implications of current issues, rather than just factual recall, to score well in the mains examination.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.